Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ditch, Payoff Debt Faster app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ditch is a debt repayment guidance app designed to help users pay off loans, credit cards, and other balances more efficiently. The app creates personalized payoff strategies based on your income, expenses, and existing debts. It organizes everything into one dashboard so you can track interest, monthly payments, and projected payoff dates clearly. Ditch focuses on helping users build a realistic and optimized plan to reduce debt faster through structured repayment methods. The app's main feature is its customized repayment plan. After entering your debts, Ditch automatically builds a timeline showing how much to pay, when to pay, and how each payment impacts your remaining balance. It also updates your progress, highlights where interest is costing you the most, and shows how increasing monthly payments can speed up payoff time. For many users, this simplifies the overwhelming process of tackling multiple debts at once. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple interface, clear guidance, and motivational progress tracking. The app helps users stay consistent with payments, avoid missed deadlines, and understand the long-term impact of their repayment strategy. It's especially helpful for individuals managing credit cards or personal loans and looking for structured financial discipline. However, there are some drawbacks. The app requires accurate manual input for best results, and users with more complex financial situations may find the tools somewhat limited. Some features may require a subscription for full access, and reliance on user-entered data means the experience can vary depending on how detailed your inputs are. In summary, the Ditch app may be worth using if you want a clear, structured, and motivating way to pay off debt faster with personalized plans and progress tracking. However, if you prefer automated syncing with all financial accounts or need advanced financial planning tools, it might feel limited for your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.